Access to Wi-Fi is as important as access to your own computer these days. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about Wi-Fi issues in Windows 11 and what to do if it keeps disconnecting. Well, one of the first things here that you're going to do is to restart your router and toggle airplane mode. Now, this is rather easy to do. All you have to do is head over to this section of your system, and then you will see the airplane mode option right here. Just click on it and wait for a few seconds. Click it back off, and this will just reset all of your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adapters and should help you reconnect to the network. It's also a good idea if you have access to the router to restart the router at this point. The next thing we're going to do is reset our network settings. Now, to do this, press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings. Head over to the search bar and just search for network reset. Click on the first option that appears, and you will have your network reset option right here. This will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters, set other networking components and everything back to its default settings. You may have to reinstall any networking software that you might have, including VPNs, virtual switches, and all of your Wi-Fi passwords will also be wiped out. So make sure you know your passwords before you commit to this. The next thing we're going to do is update our Wi-Fi drivers. Now, the simplest method of doing this is pressing Windows key plus X to open the quick access menu, and in here we're heading over to the device manager. Go through this list to find network adapters. Expand this and you will see your network adapter show up. I have an Intel Wi-Fi 6E adapter. Yours might be a Broadcom or a Realtek or anything else. Right click this, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. In most cases, you will already have the best drivers possible from Windows installed on your system. So in such cases, it's better if you look up your exact model on the internet, find the latest driver, download it, and then try again. Another fix while we're here is to disable power management. Now, Windows has some power management features where it disables some devices to save power, and that can cause problems with your Wi-Fi adapter. To do this, right click your Wi-Fi adapter, head over to Properties, go to Advanced, Driver, Details, Events, Resources, and you should see a Power Management tab somewhere here. If it's there, then it's good. If it's not, then head over to the Advanced tab. Scroll down this list and you will see that there is a Sleep on WLAN disconnect. Make sure that this is set to disabled. Save your settings, restart your system, and then try connecting to the Wi-Fi again. The next thing we're going to look at is the wireless LAN configuration service in Windows. Once again, press Windows key plus X to open the quick access menu, and you should see a services option in here. In case you don't, head over to the start menu and just type in services. Click the first option that appears. And now in this list, we're going to find the Windows Wi-Fi service, which is this one right at the bottom, WLAN Auto Config. Right click and then click Properties. So make sure that this service is running. If it isn't, you can always go ahead and click the start button to start the service. Make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. Click apply, click OK, restart your system and try connecting to Wi-Fi again. Last but not least, there is an option of running the Wi-Fi troubleshooter in Windows. To do this, press Windows key plus I to open up Windows settings, and we're just going to search for troubleshooters. So let's click on troubleshoot settings. In here, click on other troubleshooters, and you will see a network and internet troubleshooter. Go all the way to the other end and click on run. What this will do is it will open up a small prompt where you can Run network tests to diagnose connectivity issues. You can check Ethernet cable connections, and you will get all of your network testing tools that are baked into Windows to help you figure out what the problem is so that you can proceed with a fix accordingly. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.